Hi, I'm Jessica Wyant, Senior Product Manager for TechConnect, here with Phil, Product Manager, Remote Monitoring and Analytics. And today we're going to talk to you about how Rockwell Automation can provide valuable information using customer data to provide expert on-site support to execute on the plant floor. Phil, tell us more about application support and remote monitoring.
Sure. The main deliverable is to tie real-time support to critical information around the application so we can maintain a high level of availability around application assets for our customers.
Why is that?
The main reason is that customers, to be competitive in the marketplace, have to maximize the availability of their assets so they can run more product through it and be able to in turn sell more product. But they're struggling because they don't necessarily have the skill sets within their four walls to be able to maintain that high level of availability. And quite frankly, customers want that sense of security that comes with knowing somebody's continuously monitoring their application and protecting it against expensive downtime. So that's where we come in, from managing alarms to limiting the duration of downtime to predictive maintenance, where we may actually prevent downtime from occurring at all altogether. We're providing domain expertise and technology that make that customer application and the plant floor more productive.
Okay, so what makes our services so unique?
So that's a great question. So again, what we're really doing is we're grabbing years of domain expertise and various data-driven technologies that allow us to build context around the application so the smart people can make smart decisions that produce a high availability around their application. It's also a broad spectrum solution, so we can go from reactive to proactive. We've got years of domain expertise in our support staff that can call on their experience around automation applications to deliver a solution. It's a proactive mindset to call and reduce the issue before it becomes a critical issue. And then lastly, it's an integrated monitoring solution that enables us to reduce the time to resolve, as well as produce a targeted action that the customer can take to solve the problem. So the bottom line is, if you want to reduce your mean time to repair, you want to limit the downtime exposure that you have, or get to a root cause of what the issues are in the first place, we probably have the services that'll help you solve your problems.
Great, thanks for the overview, Phil.
You're welcome.